In the previous lecture, we have studied about the different kinds of diseases. Now, in the further part of this topic, human health and diseases, adolescence is the part. What is the meaning of adolescence? It is the period of beginning with the appearance of secondary sexual characters and the termination of somatic, that is, body growth. What does it mean? When the growth of the individual takes place, at the age of near about 11 to 13, some new characters start developing. That means in case of males, development of mustache, voices get changed. So this appearance of the characters becomes the development of secondary sexual characters. And by the age of near about 19 or 20, growth of the body gets stopped. Somatic growth of the body gets stopped. So that period in between, that means starting of development of secondary sexual characters and the termination of somatic growth is called as adolescence. We can also say that it is a transition stage of physical and mental development of child occurring between puberty and legal childhood between 10 to 19 years of the age. Transition stage means a person, an individual is transferring from childhood to puberty. From childhood to puberty, that means, again in other words, we can say that development of secondary sexual characters, and when the growth of the body gets stopped, that will become adolescence. So what is the age period? What is the age of adolescence? It is 10 to 19 years of the age. In terms of period, it is the age between 10 to 19 years. But this is not a constant period. That means it is not a fixed period. We can say that adolescence is a phase rather than fixed time period in the life. It is a phase of development of many characters like sexual and reproductive maturity, mental development, adult identity, and transition from socio-economic and emotional dependent to relative dependence. Okay, that means many of the changes takes place. We can say that individual is growing and developing his personality, that will becomes the adolescence. So this adolescence is divided into 3 phases. According to Government of India, according to National Youth Policy, the adolescence period is between 13 to 19 years. And this age group is divided into 3 stages. First one is early period, that is 10 to 14 years. Middle period between 15 to 17 years, and late period between 18 to 19 years. What are the characteristic feature of this different age group of the adolescents? Early period is between 10 to 14 years. What changes appears in this period here? Here appearance of secondary sexual characters takes place. Growth reaches to its peak. There is rapid physical growth, concrete thinking, defining boundaries of dependence or independence is there, self-exploration, developing body image, development of intense friendship, seeking to counter instability, and evaluation is there. What are the characteristic feature of middle age? It is characterized by almost complete full development of secondary sexual characteristics. Somatic growth slows down. Near about 95% of the adult stature is attained. Thinking is more abstract, concrete thinking under stressful conditions. Re-establishing of body image, capable of long-range thinking, sense of leadership and all-powerfulness. Preoccupied with romantic fantasy, ability testing to attract opposite sex, peer group help defining behavioral code, etc. Okay, so these are the changes seen in middle period. And third stage is the late period. The age group is from 18 to 19 years. It is characterized by establishment of total physical maturity, established abstract thinking, intellectual and functional identity, peer group recedes in favor of individual relationship, stable relationship and change from childhood to adulthood relationship. Okay, so these are the stages of adolescence. Specific changes are seen. Even though changes are seen, we cannot define that between 10 to 14 that specific changes will be there. Between 10 to 19 years of age, we can see the variety of changes in different individuals. Later on, we have to study about physical changes of adolescence. These physical changes of adolescence are growth spurts, sexual development, and emotional and social changes takes place. So physical changes of adolescence are again categorized into 3 headings. What is the meaning of growth spurt? It occurs both in girls and boys. In boys, muscle develops, skin becomes oily, broadening of shoulder, cracking of voice, development of underarm and chest hair, pubic hair, facial hair, enlargement of penis and testes. In case of girls, development of breast, widening of hip, development of underarm and pubic hair, and enlargement of uterus and ovaries takes place. That means overall development in the stature of the body in case of males and females is seen. Second one is sexual development. In case of sexual development, the sex organs start developing. We can say sex organs mature and enlarge. There is sexual desire. There is erection of penis in boys, sperm production, ejaculation, ovulation, menstruation and initiation of sexual behavior is seen. Third one is the emotional and social changes. In this case, there is establishment of own identity, fantasy, daydreaming, attention-seeking behavior, emotional instability, full of energy, sexual attraction, rapid mood changes, conflicts with family, behavioral code, self-exploration and evaluation, formation of new relationship, peer pressure, etc. are seen. So all these are theoretical part. Actually, you go through the book and try to understand. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so this is about the physical changes of adolescence. Later on, we have to study about mental health and adolescence. Under this topic, what is the meaning of mental health and what are the changes seen in case of adolescence? Many of the emotional and social changes have implication on mental health. That means mental health can develop or it can be get disturbed because of many emotional and social changes. Most of the mental health issues that people confront as adult begins to appear in adolescence. It includes confusion, irritation, moodiness, frustration, nausea, less concentration, hyperactivities, anger, effects on lifestyle like obesity, addiction, accidents leading to ill health, etc. Sometimes it leads to depression as well as insomnia and loss of energy also. Thus, mental illness, it is a disorder or unfavorable changes, is associated with psychological or behavioral manifestation. These are broadly classified as either psychos or neurose. Psychoses include delusion, hallucination, disturbances in the thinking process, etc. The psychose leads to Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, depressive psychosis, etc. Amnesia, that is loss of memory, bulimia, that is extreme overindulgence in food, anxiety, means fear or apprehension, anorexia nervosa, which means emotional aversion to food, depression, that is sadness and inactivity reduced to enjoy life, etc. Neuroses include schizophrenia, illusions, hallucinations, etc. That means mental illness may lead to many of the diseases, many of the disorders. So we can say that what is the meaning of adolescence here? Adolescence is characterized by number of cognitive, emotional, behavioral, physical and attitudinal changes, which may lead to positive personality development depending upon the relation with parents or to other conditions. What kind of treatment is required if there is disturbances in mental health is there? The treatment with non-pharmacological approach with due respect to rights of children. According to World Health Organization, guidelines under mental health gap action program is available.